Found the code. I knocked this down after jumping up, and oh, there's paper. I thought, okay. Dima, I've got the hospital for a week, so in the near future you gotta take the rap alone. I get it. Working for 5 days isn't easy, but there's nothing you can do about it. Don't forget to monitor the indicators and check circuit breakers, and stay out of Stepnatch's sight. I almost forgot. Take the gas cylinder from the chamber 18 to the pantry. I had it fueled it. Anyways, I leave the door code in case you suddenly forget it again. 1245. Alright, 1245. 1245. It should put it in here just in case. But it don't. Further. Oh. I did this wrong. I need to go this way towards the light, then take a left. Not the right tunnel, because that'll just make you go insane. It'll be an infinite loop. Yeah, I think I'm probably up for some food at some point. Oh shit, is it 1245 or 1425? 145. All right. Oh. Telephone. Not good. It's just a dead end. Yeah. No mine carts. Just leave the doors open for Alexi to close them as he oh, cutscene. Is it Alexi? Or not Alexi? Halt and reveal! That's an interesting flashlight. F. Hey! They start shooting at you. Or you're uh-oh. Is that gonna open? Alexi will just have to be dead. And now I run. My gun's reloaded. That's the good news. I could try hiding back here. Eight bullets. It takes 3 bullets to kill a guy, so I can only take out 2 of them. Time to be fussing too much. Alright. Can't risk making noise. Doesn't have a you are here. Oh wait, you are here. Facing the wall. So around this corner. Boom. Oh, is that deadly hot steam? It almost certainly is. So I've got to shut down the steam. It's a steam pipe down the corner. Okay. Bathroom. Close that. Leave that open. It's my escape route. This is where we started, I think. Oh, got some medical. Spare flashlight. Just give me a battery. UV. Maybe there's something hidden from the naked eye. F you. Or F then. Yeah, so just always use the UV light. It's a scarecrow. Hide behind the... I don't get this. So can I still pull out my gun? This seems like I am... I can't fight now, it feels like. What the numbers mean. Why am I wearing this weird jacket? I don't understand what the hell's going on here. I can't access my axe or anything. Oh, is this a puzzle? Nope. This just doesn't make any sense to me. Well, I can't go that way, surely. This is just making it harder. Oh, this could get me through the steam. My head's working now. That's the bathroom. This way. Oh. Let's do it. I think that's what I'm supposed to do. And they're right outside waiting for me. Or behind me and they knock me over the head. Or just nothing. I'm fine with nothing. But it seems Alexei probably didn't make it, unless he had a hidey hole for himself. I got this UV light, which... Got that. It's the only friend I need. Oh, this looks weird. Yeah, I don't have any food, and I don't think I need medical... Well, I did run through the... Alright, so over the top means medical, maybe, and then this is hunger on the bottom. That could make sense. Alright, this could be poison water. Let's jump in. Oh, wait. Can I not swim? Whoa. What the fuck? Oh, you just fall in. Oh, so that's just him getting back to the front. So what the hell do I do here? Oh, I can do this. Right. Alright. To the right. Okay, things are getting higher, it looks like. Okay. Alright, so there was some of that. There's also a food shortage. So if I change this... Can't. I did my thing. Aha! Okay. So maybe go to the right. Just circumnavigating this little area. Hopefully we'll find some food. And then we'll be set up real good. It's light, but I don't think I can do anything over there. This looks like my way out. Nice little stair set. It looks like it's not going to open too easy. There we go. Batteries. Excellent. I get stuck at the crawl under. Huh. I'm happy with that. If I can close that, that'd be nice. I can't. Got some light going on in here. Medical, double med. Which that's great that there's double med. But we need some double food up in here. Oh, it's not food. The lathe? Oh, do I know how to use a lathe? Probably shouldn't mess with that too much. I might need to actually create something. Is that something? Nope. Maybe the other side of that. Sort of. There's a note. For several days, I can't get out of these tunnels. Fuck knows what these underground passages are. I didn't think there may be something like that in this area. Got here by accident. Dogs chased me in the woods, evil beasts. I came upon an open ventilation shaft and decided to hide there. I shut the door behind, but I couldn't open it. I could not find any maps or schemes inside, so I go almost blindly. I will spend the night here and gonna move on tomorrow. Well, at least I have my assault rifle with me. Ooh. Which could be mine soon. Alright, so it looks like I have unlimited lighter uses, which is nice. So if I can find this dude's assault rifle, I'll be defensively in extremely good shape. Because he probably just lied down and died somewhere. I mean, I guess it's conceivable he got out alive, but... Oh, invisible wall there. Yeah, probably went through all the food. Okay. Let's see. The mechanism door is not sealed. I need to find something that can fix it. Okay. I think I got it. It's sitting there on the lathe. Question is, how good am I? And just random thing on the lathe. See if that'll work. Like, if you need to do something to spec, that'd be, you know, possible. But detail that I don't have does not fit. I see 7. Oh, it's a size 7. So maybe if I do the whole thing in a 7. If there's a way I can set 7. So here you go. Oh, we gotta get a new one. Okay, fresh one. It says 10. No. There's a way to go about this. It just goes to the right size. So hopefully that's a size 7. Well, I don't have a clue how I can tell. Alright. So is that size 7? Hopefully it is. Because if not, this is going to be a long night. Okay, fit. Yeah, it's fragile. I need something strong. Okay. Okay. So I don't know. Maybe it doesn't need to be straight. So I'll give one more attempt. Let's see what we can do. First one's too big. Next one too small. So I think it's showing you that's 10 for reference. 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm just gonna even that out. I like it. Yeah, I feel like... Oh, the flickering of the fire's hard to tell, but I feel like the vision's going blurrier, getting the hungers. Yeah, I'm getting damage too. Blood coming on here. Needs to be some more food for how fast it goes. Alright, that's pretty tough. Let me through. Excellent. Next screen. Oh, is that a flashlight at the end of the hallway? Oh, that's my control. Yeah, I should probably keep running regardless. Oh. Spotlight, I'm up top. Yeah, not great. Yeah, why am I so freaking injured? Oh, I can do safely over this side. Alright. Oh, is that death? Gotta redo? Nope. Okay. Or maybe, like, the bear will show up and I'll have to fight the bear? Another bear? Because the one died? Oh, is this the other guy that has his AK? I read your letter. Seems you didn't make it too far. So the pin must have broken or fallen out after him. What was that? Wolves. How many bullets do I have? And does the tab pause the... I have no food to give him either. 2. short, controlled bursts. Oh man, there's a lot of them. Alright, we gotta switch to pistol. Come on. Alright. That sucks. Oh, here's some ammo. Good. Oh man, his intestines are out. That will work for me. I have some medical, but I need some food up in here. Can't be eating these rabid wolves. Alright, so let's go to 5. Should be able to reload. Nice. That was very cold sounding. Oh, he ate his fucking leg off. Ooh. What is this? Can I get up there, potentially? Why is it marking that? Oh, there's ammo up there. Oh, wait, I can just knock it. Or maybe not. And it would be nice to have that ammo. I don't know. Doesn't seem to want to help me. The ladder. I can't crawl that. Good. Okay, so there are some random symbols and shit. If I can find them. I know that I'm going to be in such much better shape if I can just grab that. No box. Oh, just have to deal with it. Head on up. Still better off than having no AK at all. And we're nearly out. You got medical supplies, you just need the food. Yeah, I mean, like, the countryside's too vast for them to track us this far. Nothing to be worried about, as long as you're strong enough to climb out. Reload yet again. A gramophone, okay. Oh, it's a metro. This looks like a shootout waiting to happen. Oh, I hear the footsteps. Did I call it that easy? And we have all these people-looking statues. accidentally shoot at. What the fuck? What the fuck is going on here? Don't tell me these things are coming to life. What? What? The hell is going on here? This is bizarre. I saw there were some AK rounds by the box. This doesn't make any sense in the context of this game. This is out of nowhere. Run the gauntlet, I suppose. They be coming to grab me and crush me with their metalness. I'm gonna have to be the football player I never knew I was. Oh, shit. Alright, good technique. What? I got punched. Bitch. What the? Oh, it's a dog. Overkill, but... Anyways, I have to pick it up here. Good. Pause. So catch you all next time. It's quite an interesting little fight we got going there. Later.